This is a BMC 1.5 with a new Edge 140 gearbox. That's the hydraulic one. Has an oil cooler for the transmission. Also has an oil cooler for the engine oil. On there. It's been completely rebuilt. New crankshaft, bearings, pistons, rings, injectors, spill lines, cam followers, valves, head. Later type head fitted, lift pump, oil pump, water pump, all new and all lovely. And purchased and rebuilt. I was going to fit in my canal boat, but I opted for a Kubota instead, so hence this one's now for sale on there. Starting and running, pretty good.